So I bought this at a thrift store in town, and I'm going to turn it into a Carpenter bee house. Say hello to Nugget the Adventure Terrier. He's checking out the 2x4 that I've got here that is going to be the main component for the Carpenter bee house. So with my handy dandy measuring stick here from probably the 1930s or 40s, we're going to see what we've got here. 7.5, 8 inches, just under 8 inches. I can mark that 7 3/4. No, we're going, oh well, I'll get it figured out. But that's how long I have to cut each piece of the 2x4. Now I have cut the wood into 8-inch pieces and stacked them inside the cabinet here, my thrift store find. And now I've got some quarter trim for the bottom of my living room walls where they meet the floor, and I had some left over, so it's sort of spacing it in there, one facing one way, one facing the other, so that I don't have to use any nails or anything. Now all I have to do is drill 1/2-inch holes in the pieces of wood. I do have another piece of wood that goes here. It's a little shorter and it's right there. It's going to be sturdy. The bees aren't going to care if there's some little gaps. In fact, I might like that for airflow or something. Now I'm going out while I'm in the garage with my 1/2-inch drill bit, and I'm going to drill holes for the Carpenter bees, like so. Let me actually get to work now. There we have 32 holes, shallowly dug, no waiting. Part of this that is, the only part of this that is engineered now is the roof, because I'm out of material, but they're not going to be burrowing into that anyhow. And it's just to shed water. So, see how that goes. Now I get the hardware to hang it up and we'll get it outside. Hey, I'm out at the hardware store picking up the hardware to, the hanging hardware for my Carpenter bee house, and I just wanted to put a little note in here saying the reason I didn't use screws or nails or anything to secure the 2x4s, the drilled 2x4s in there, is because these have to be changed out periodically, and to prevent that hassle, this is a neat design feature of it. It's just wedged in there with shims, so at the end of the bee season I can just pop them out of there, drill some new scrap lumber, soft pine, something, and put them back in there, and we're ready to go for the next year. Man, what an end to a beautiful day.